Lily, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Oh, I'll wait. Okay, now do you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Wait, I gotta grab my tripod. Let's get this bread. Welcome to my video. So if you're from my other channel, face reveal, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shane, but I don't like being called by that. I'm not really good at this entire vlogging thing. So if I look away from the camera, it's because I'm not really used to it. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing today. This here is my 1995 434 Ford Bronco Eddie Bauer edition. Now we were gonna be working on the front end a little bit, but when I was taking out driving 2 days ago, the throttle got stuck. Oh, I left that in here. I think I have to charge that. Oh, oops. I left that. Yeah, it's sticking. Nothing too bad. It's just sticking at 200 RPM, which isn't like dangerous, but I still don't want it. I want it to start at regular RPM. So what we're gonna have to do is pull it up to the garage and get it fixed. Now, the dangerous part of doing that is there are really bad brakes on it. So with that being said, when I try to stop, it doesn't really come to a complete stop. So I can't do burnouts or anything like that. So that's why what I'm going to be doing isn't really the best thing for the truck. I'm going to, when I pull it up to the garage, I'm just going to turn it off. Because it can't get down to enough RPM to idle. So, and I don't want to pop it into park or neutral because that could mess up the gears. I'm just going to shut it off. And then I'm going to turn it back on. Wait, no. I'm going to put it in the auxiliary. I'm going to shift it into park and then turn it off. And then you're going to see me do it. This is really dangerous. But luckily I know what I'm doing. Now we're going to see how much full the tires are. Enough. Not enough. What? Oh. Wait. What? Oh. It's like, wait, why is it turning on? It's not plugged in. Hold on. You can't see anything right now. This is bad content. Wait. I forgot how to turn this on. Yes. So the good thing about that, hold on. So the good thing about this is that it's really quiet. So you guys can hear me perfectly fine, which is great. But we're gonna do something before we get to work on a Bronco, and I'm gonna cold start my lawnmower so the engine doesn't seize. Can't confirm. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. Just to make sure it still runs. And that's all full, which is great. So I grabbed this lightweight thing. Very amazing air compressor, by the way. I'm gonna drag it very clumlessly up to the Bronco. Set it down or to like right about here. It's gonna be a second, hold on. Okay, so now we're gonna walk around the car. I tried to send it under the car, but I can't do that because I'm not experienced enough. Okay. I'm gonna fill up the tires. Okay, I gotta use both hands here. I'm not gonna show you this anyways. This is really boring. We are back. Okay, got her all filled up, probably like gallon. That's a gallon. Enough. Huh. Okay, there's people walking by. This is really awkward. Alright, I'm gonna move my dog out of the way real quick because this is gonna start and I'm just gonna want to get moving. Okay, so the Bronco doesn't really want to start right now, and I don't know why, but I have a feeling it's because the battery pack is dead. So we're gonna charge it a little bit, and then we're gonna try again. Okay. if you did enjoy that video, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, please. You don't have to. I mean, it's more or less if you want to. Like, if you liked it, go ahead. I'm just gonna keep uploading anyways. I don't care if you subscribe or not. It's up to you, man. I'm just asking, you know, asking for a friend. It's worth a shot. Come on. And there's a little bell. I'm not sure if you've heard of it. You can press that too if you like. If you don't really like my videos, that's fine. There's other car videos out there. Mine aren't the best. This is the first video of many more to come. Enjoy. I'm Shane. Peace out.